Now we're talking about a cool car right here. It's a 1973 Plymouth Barracuda done up as a 71 Cuda Pro Touring Tribute car. Under the hood is a Mopar Performance crate motor. It's a 500 cubic inch stroker making 600 horsepower. It's fuel injected. We got air conditioning. We got a pistol grip 5-speed, rack and pinion, custom suspension, posi, four-wheel discs. The list goes on and on. It's got it all. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this car delivered to your door. You can find all the price tags on 200 classic cars, along with a monthly payment, including this one right here. It's all at volocars.com. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, yeah, repainted, nice bright yellow, and it's got the shaker hood, all smooth, clean, straight, square, all looking really nice as the racing hood pins. They've added the 71 Cuda gills here, they're new. The fender is all in beautiful shape, all nice and clean, all the way down to the bottom. The restorer of the car said the car was 100% rust-free before restoration. No vinyl top, just all nice, clean, painted roof. Got painted sport mirrors, doors shut real nice. All this nice and clean. All this is looking really good. There is a hairline crack right on the edge right here in the paint. Has the smooth rubber bumpers, elastomeric, I think they call them, painted the same body color. All this is smooth, clean, straight, all looking really good, all the way down to the bottom. All nice, clean, all nice. The rockers are nice. Door shuts with a thunk. Racing mirrors, all nice, clean, painted, smooth. So the paint's beautiful. Yeah, if you wax it the first time and you're up close, you might find, here's a little nick right here. It's touched up. And there is a touch up right down behind the bumper here. So you also had the rubber bumper up front. Everything's painted yellow. You had the black matte finish on the shaker hood. New windshield. Original side glass. Typical light scratches in the original glass. They are tinted. The weather strips were replaced. Has the Go wing on the trunk. And then, of course, the big billboard decals, the 440 billboard stripe, they called it. The blacked out tail panel. And then the rally wheels. I love it when they take the flavor of the original style wheel, the rally wheel. And this is a new US mag modern version. They look like they're about 18-inch. Yeah, I don't see the size. They're wrapped in Goodyear Performance tires. They look a little bit wider or bigger in the back. Yeah, those are 18-inch. I think the fronts are too. So it sits really nice. I got a lot more to show you. Let's open it up. All right, we got some surprises in the trunk compartment here. Under the trunk lid, painted nicely, so is the jamb. The weather strip is brand new. But look what we have here. We got a big old amplifier, big speaker box with subwoofer. Batteries relocated to the trunk with a billet hold down. Has an actual master key. You can disconnect it, take the key with you. Has a battery tender you can plug in when you're parking the car. Comes with a nice yellow car cover. And it's all carpeted inside. Yeah, nice trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the videos are posted. Door jambs are painted nicely. A little bit of overspray in the door jambs, making them a little dry, but they're all painted. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels and armrests look to be in really good condition. Got the Cuda emblems. Dash pad is replaced. It's not a cheap glue-on cover. It's an actual dash pad. Complete custom instrument panel with autometer gauges. Has a ultralight memory tachometer. All the gauges here. We got a stereo, Alpine stereo system. It's painted nice. Here's a hole right here. I didn't even notice. Must have been a switch there or something at one time. Kick panel speakers, nice carpet, embroidered mats, extinguisher. Here's a controller for the Pro Flow Edelbrock Weber fuel injection. The center console's in real nice shape. Yep, you got a 5-speed pistol grip shifter. Used to have air ride at one time. That's what these are for. They took the air ride out, which I'm happy for. It still has the control panel, but the console's real nice. Seats are reupholstered. You got mats in the back. The back seat's upholstered. Side panels are excellent. The rear shelf. The rear window trim. All that looks really nice. The headliner's in really nice shape. Got working dome light. Billet mirror. Nice leather wrapped Mopar steering wheel. Yeah, it's on a tilt column. I didn't notice from over on my side the upgraded heater controls, air conditioning controls. So yeah, nice comfortable interior, some cool pistol grip, and great looking steering wheel. Pretty cool car. So like I said, this is a Mopar Performance crate engine. It's a 500 cubic inch stroker, making about 600 horsepower. That air cleaner really hides a lot, but it has an MSD ignition system, Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum intake with the, again, the fuel injection system. Nice Mopar Performance valve covers, a set of coated headers. Look at the whole entire engine bay, painted beautifully. All stainless braided AC lines and heater hoses. Polished AC component. I like the polished hard pipe for the radiator, which is upgraded aluminum. Looks like a B-Cool radiator, dual electric fans. Complete True Track front runner system, the nice brackets, pulleys, serpentine belt, polished compressor, polished alternator, modern power steering with the remote reservoir. We got an overflow bottle for the radiator, more stainless braided lines, power brake system. Here's a hydraulic reservoir for the clutch. A restored wiper motor. And we got a big hole in the hood. And everything's painted up nice, looking really sharp, and runs real nice. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Sweet Cuda here today. It's got a 500 under the hood. This thing's built too. Supposed to be something like 600 horsepower. It does have the upgraded 5-speed manual trans with the pistol grip shifter. So some really cool stuff going on here. It's fully serviced by our shop. Fuel injection. You just go ahead and turn the key on this thing and it starts right up for you. But yeah, the shop tinkered with a few things. We put, I think it was rear coilovers on it, adjustable, and we did a few other things, but pretty decent car. Tilt column, power steering, it's rack and pinion, full Pro Touring suspension, you know, adjustable, tubular. Go on our website and check out all the details and pictures on that one. It is pretty impressive. All right, well, let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Let's pop it in fifth, see where she's sitting. 62 miles an hour and what is that, 15, 16, 1700 RPMs, looks like. So definitely a cruiser. Glad to have that extra gear. And yeah, it'll really help for, you know, going out on different car shows and everything like that. You gotta love the shaker hood kind of going round and round there. You can see it. But yeah, all is good. Check out the details at volocars.com and contact our sales department if you want to come for a test drive.
So we're just getting started. I don't even think I mentioned this was a rotisserie restoration. So the whole underbody, even up in the wheel wells, it's all clean metal painted the same color yellow. And boy, does it have the upgrades. Complete suspension package up front, all custom cradle, the subframe, it's all tubular, has rack and pinion steering, coil over adjustable gas shocks. In back, it's a 4-link system with tubular control arms, also coil over adjustable gas shocks. Has a stainless steel fuel tank, custom fuel system that's compatible with the fuel injection. Willwood disc brakes all the way around, slotted and drilled rotors, 6-piston calipers up front, all stainless custom exhaust with the X pipe. I think it's MagnaFlow mufflers, and it does go out through the rear valance like a Cuda would. Bottom of the engine is a custom oil pan, high torque starter, heavy duty scatter shield hooked up to the Tremec 5-speed, an aluminum drive shaft, leads back to the 8 3/4 rear end with 389 Sure Grip gears. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm going to check my notes here real quick. Yeah, it's an extra capacity oil pan. I wanted to make sure on that. Hydraulic clutch we talked about a little bit earlier. Yeah, MagnaFlow mufflers. Looks like I got it right. And my memory's not as bad as I thought. So a lot going on underneath this car. The only thing holding down the hood are the racing pins, so you gotta make sure you put them in place before you're heading down the highway. Very cool car. It's just got all the features. It's got the looks, the shaker, the stroker crate motor, the pistol grip, the suspension, the brakes, the air, the stereo. I mean, it's got it going on. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Barracuda 71 Cuda Tribute delivered to your door. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.